When tackling any form of disease, prevention is as important as the cure. When we look to tackle heart disease, we look at reducing our amount of cholesterol. But when it comes to tackling cancer, this has proved to be a much more difficult task. Today we're in Budapest, here in Hungary, and we're here to take a closer look at HYD Limited, a company that has reached international recognition amongst the scientific community for their groundbreaking work in both the prevention and treatment of cancer. HYD founder Gabor Chomlier has devoted his adult life to identifying a specific element, deuterium, as key in the treatment of cancer cells.
I identified that the hydrogen and the heavy hydrogen, the deuterium, can together be responsible for the cell multiplication, and I suppose that the lack of deuterium can cause the death of cancerous cells. As a result of the positive research, we established the HYD Ltd to develop deuterium-depleted products for human and veterinary use.
Veterinarians have been using HYD's products to treat cancer for several years, reducing both trauma and cost for their patients.
In our practice, we have found many cases of tumors in dog and cats. Normally we treat them with surgery therapy, and we have also possibility to use radiotherapy and chemotherapy, but these treatments have very dramatic effect on dog and cat, and these are very expensive therapies as well. So we are looking for new possibilities like deuterium depleted water, which brings much more positive effect with or without therapy for a pet, and gives much better quality of life for a pet. We have been using deuterium depleted water in our practice already for 5 years, and we have found a very significant positive result in our dog and cat cancer patient.
But what does deuterium actually do to our bodies, and what proof do we have that its reduction actually reduces the spread of cancer?
This depleted deuterium water is interfering with the compound that is very, very important in the case of the growth of the several tumor cells, for example, the breast cancer, or prostatic cancer, the colon cancer cells. And if you can, let's see, decrease or inhibit the activity of the certain enzymes by having no side effect, that I think is the most important thing in a case of curing patients.
Sadly, many of today's current treatments for cancer have severe and often traumatic side effects, and that's where the real breakthrough comes in. Here at HYD, they've not only developed an effective treatment, but also a delivery system that's as simple as applying a cream or even drinking a glass of water.
The treatment is very straightforward. The human body contains 60% water, and the easiest way to reduce the deuterium concentration in the human body if we replace the normal water with deuterium depleted water. So this is the reason we developed deuterium depleted drinking water. To prevent skin cancer, we can replace the normal water with deuterium depleted water in sunscreen products. And that way we can eliminate the potential cancerous cells from the skin, and that can give an additional protection for the skin.
With many preventative consumer products already available on the local market, HYD have also completed successful Phase 2 clinical trials with impressive results.
We have completed the Phase 2 double-blind clinical trial, which showed the efficacy of the anti-cancer drug. We could see that the survival rate was significantly longer in the treated group comparing with the placebo group. We have published several papers, and everybody accepted our results and said that that's something.
So, with successful clinical trials already completed, HYD believe that with the right financial backing and the right partnerships, deuterium depleted water, or DDW, will lead the way to a whole new range of both pharmaceutical and consumer products for the treatment and prevention of cancer.